Now, before we wrap up this part on the data access layer, there's one last thing we need to take care of. Indeed, it might happen that we want to manually stop the server. To do so, we can use the Control-C key combination, which will send a signal to the routing process, causing it to terminate, a signal being nothing more than a standardized message sent by the operating system to a process in order to trigger a specific behavior. That being said, let's complete the data access layer by invoking the event emitter function in the application's entry point that takes as argument a SIGIT event string and an asynchronous function that will either try to close the database connection using the close function of the database handler and exit with a return value of 0, or catch and log any eventual error and exit with a return value of 1 instead. We can now test our new handler by killing the server using Control-C, and as you can see, the closing database connection string is successfully written to the standard output, which means that the SIGIT event is caught and properly handled by the application.